has rewarded its staff with a 12% salary increment. The Hotel Suns Kenya that owns Nomad Beach Resort and the Suns on Charlie Island said that their business has been so good with 100% occupancy. The workers, who are over 350, will start receiving the increased salary from the end of this month, with the promise of increasing even further if prospects continue looking good. Most hotels in Diani, Kwale County witnessed a surge of tourists just 2 years after COVID-19 that ravaged the sector.
So we happily signed a few days ago the CBA with our representative union, and we agree on the salary increase of 12% per year, which we found, okay, it was kind of, I think, a normal negotiation going on. But yes, we believe that there is a fair increase also because now the time in Kenya is not, it's quite difficult with the inflation and some reality problems. So you go to the market, it's not the same that you find.
We have been doing quite good the last few years. We had great support from the local tourism, as well as the abroad tourism from abroad started coming back. So having a great support. Our company is based on staff, on people. Yeah, so without them, we don't exist.
Waswahili wanasema kidole kizuri huvilisha nini pete. Sasa tumeamua staff wetu sisi